Hey, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to hide your likes on X. So the funny part about it that you don't even need to do anything anymore, because since 2024 X made all likes private by default. So that means that your likes tab is only visible for you, and followers, non-followers, nobody can open your profile and scroll to this likes tab. And additionally, you don't need premium subscription, you don't need to change anything in your settings because it's all automatic. But here's a little thing that even though this tab is hidden, the algorithm still may occasionally show your followers posts with your like and with your name in their feeds. So if you want zero traces, you should use bookmarks instead of likes, because it's completely private and never surfaced. So basically how to save posts to your bookmarks, go to whatever post that you want to save and tap this bookmark icon, and at the top you should see message post added to your bookmarks, and you can find them if you go to your profile picture, go to section bookmarks, and here you will see all posts that you saved. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.